Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Judge Kassan. This is a 10 a.m. docket. I know it's 10:30. I apologize. The previous docket ran very late. So we're going to get started a little bit later. I'm going to take note of who's here, and then I'll give you some further instructions, okay? So it looks like we have, is it Carla Guima? Is that right? Okay. Or Kenya, is that right? Okay. And then Edwin Gonzalez.
Yeah.
Thing that's abnormal or unusual in regards to that bill. There's no spike in water usage.
Juan Torres.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And then I have a phone number ending in 680. If you could unmute and let me know your name, please. 680. If you could press
Cynthia Collins.
Cynthia Collins. Okay, great. Thank you. All right, everyone. So we're going to get started with the docket. When I call your name, I'm going to ask you how you plead. You can plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If you plead guilty, you're admitting guilt and you're asking the court to assess the punishment in the case and you don't want to contest the charges, okay? If you plead no contest,
that's basically a program that we offer through San Antonio Water System. It's called the Affordability Program. Basically what it is
Thank you. If you plead no contest, you are not contesting the charges. You just want to resolve the matter today, but you're not admitting guilt. And again, we'll just resolve the matter today. No contest plea, you're not contesting the charges, but you're also not admitting guilt. If you plead not guilty, you are contesting the charges and you'd like to set your case for a trial. You can have a jury trial or a non-jury trial, okay? You do have a constitutional right to a jury trial, which means the case would be heard and decided by 6 citizens of Olmos Park. Or you can waive the jury trial and instead have a bench trial and the case would be heard by me or the other judge in Olmos Park. Okay? Ms. Guima? You're on mute, ma'am.
Ok. ¿Que si puede hablar español?
Ahorita hablo con usted en español, sí.
Ok, está bien. Gracias.
Gracias. Sí, puede poner mudo otra vez, por favor. Okay, if you'd like to resolve your case today, there are some options that are available to you. The first of which is the driving safety course. If you have not taken that in the last 12 months, you may be eligible, okay? The other option that might be available to you is deferred disposition. It's an unsupervised probationary period, anywhere from 1 day to 180 days, depending on the violation charged, okay? There is a fee and there may be some additional requirements placed upon you during the deferral time, okay? You could also talk to the prosecutor today if you have multiple violations, perhaps talk to him about a plea bargain. We can also set up a payment plan for you and talk to you about community service hours or any issues specific to your cases here in a few minutes, okay? We're gonna get started. I'm gonna take you in alphabetical order, so I ask that you please be patient. And we'll get started with Ms. Cynthia Collins. Ms. Collins, if you could press *6 on your phone to unmute. Ms. Collins, if you could press *6 on your phone. All right.
There she goes.
Hello?
Ms. Collins?
Hi. Yes, hi. How are you?
Doing well. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. You have a charge here for running a stop sign. How do you plead?
I plead not guilty.
Okay, trial by judge or trial by jury?
Trial by judge.
Okay. Would you like to visit with the prosecutor about the facts of the case today?
I mean, I can just tell you what happened and then let you decide.
No, that is not how it works. I need you to visit first with the prosecutor and then we move forward from there.
Okay, great.
All right. Just hang on. You'll go into a breakout room with Mr. Dixon, the prosecutor.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, I have Edwin Gonzalez.
Mm-hmm.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Good, and you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Let's see here. You were on a deferral and you had payment that's due. You owe a balance of $125.50. Are you able to pay that today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll need you to contact the court to make that payment or drop by and make that payment in person, okay?
Okay. Do I have to do it like right now, or can I do it like after work? Because I'm at
No,
work
you
right now.
can call this afternoon, or I can give you till next Friday, the 16th, to make sure you make that payment.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
right, so you'll have until the 16th of this month to either stop by in person or contact them by phone to make that payment.
Okay. I'll do it today.
All right, very good, sir. Have a good day.
You too,
Take
ma'am.
care. Bye-bye.
Thank
Thank you. Mr. Torres,
Yes, ma'am.
hey, how are you today?
Good, good. Just here, I was here waiting to go back to work. I'm just waiting.
All right. So you have a stoplight violation. Were you able to get that corrected? I think you sent in some photos. Is
Yes,
that
that got fixed, and I understand that put off for no insurance. That's understandable. That I didn't know the car had no insurance, so I thought it did.
right? Okay, so the rear lights are now working, right?
Yeah, but they're fixed. Yeah, the light bulb went out, but I
Okay.
have my two rear lights working, but the one in the middle wasn't working.
But it's now I see that it is. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So then you have a charge for the no insurance. And
Yes.
how do you plead on that case?
That I understand guilty because no insurance. That's understandable.
And you have it now, right? Is that what you submitted?
Yes, we have it now. Yes.
Okay, let's see here. All right. Are you on this policy? It looks like,
No, it was my brother-in-law's car.
okay,
And my vehicle broke and I thought it had insurance. So when I was going, because I was at work going to my other property because I'm a maintenance man.
okay,
So when I was crossing Hildebrand, the cop just turned around and pulled me over, and he said that I was taking two lanes. It's only one lane, so that's like it didn't make no sense to me.
okay. So that's the other charge. You have failure to drive in a single lane. How do
Yeah,
you,
so it's a bike lane, so I knew it was a bike lane. So that's what I understood. Like he said, took two lanes, but like, how can I take two lanes if it's a bike lane?
okay, so how do you plead on that case? Because that's another charge.
No, I can't. Not guilty. I can't say guilty because I'm not guilty about that. You know what I
Okay.
mean?
Sure. Okay, so let you talk to the prosecutor about that one, and then we can probably resolve all three of them today, okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right, just hang on. He'll be with you shortly, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Kenya Guima. Habla español, ¿verdad?
Sí, español.
Ok. Tiene un ticket por las luces en el carro que no estaban
Sí.
trabajando. ¿Eres culpable o no culpable?
Sí,
Sí, ok. Y luego por no tener licencia, ¿culpable o no culpable?
sí.
Ok. ¿Tiene licencia de México, pero está vencida?
La que traía estaba vencida.
Ok. ¿Y
Y-
ya sacó otra o no?
Sí, ya la mandé por correo.
Oh, ok. Ok. ¿Y puede mandar copia para la corte? ¿O me la puede enseñar un poquito más?
Ahí voy.
Ok, así que... Ok, pero sí puede mandar copias también.
Sí, también.
Ok, por correo electrónico o...
¿A la corte?
Sí. O puede dejar una copia ahí en la corte, ok.
Ahorita acabo de mandar una por correo. De la camioneta con la luz y la...
Okay, do we have that, Valerie, or no?
Yes, ma'am, we do. I
Okay,
can send it to you right now.
okay, un momento, okay?
Ok.
Okay, it should be the license and the license plate.
Okay.
Valerie, can we snatch Miss Collins back in? She's on the phone and she doesn't know
Sure,
how
sure,
to
sure.
get back over.
Let me close that.
I have an agreement on Collins, Judge.
Okay, just give me a second here. I was trying to load something. All right. It just came through, Valerie. Just give me a second. All right,
Okay, sure.
Mr. Dixon.
On Collins, it's no contest, 30 days deferred, $154 fine due by next week.
Okay. Ms. Collins?
Yes, hi.
Hi, are you in agreement with the offer made by the prosecutor?
Yes, he was very nice. I still don't agree with the police officer's choice, and I hope that the video will be reviewed for
Okay.
future people. I just that doesn't happen to someone else, because when there are accidents happening, it's my understanding that people should try to get out of the way. So,
Okay.
so I don't agree with the charge, but I agree that I just we're meeting in the middle, and I'm okay with it.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Very good. Okay, I'm glad you had an opportunity to visit with him. I'll go ahead and accept that plea offer and agreement, and we'll process that for you, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.
Take care now. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Frank, you have Mr. Torres.
Okay, I'll go see him.
Okay, let me look at that email you sent, Valerie.
Okay.
Ok, señora Grima.
Sí.
¿Y cuánto tiempo tiene aquí en Texas?
¿Qué será? ¿Como un año?
Ok, ¿y vive aquí y en Coahuila o?
Ahorita estoy aquí en San Antonio.
Pero viaja para atrás, para México.
Ahorita no he ido por lo de la pandemia.
Ok, pero no va a sacar licencia aquí en Texas.
No.
Ok, ¿va a vivir aquí o va a vivir allá? Porque si vive aquí, tiene que sacar la licencia de Texas.
Lo que pasa es que como yo vengo para acá porque tengo a una niña que la llevo a cirugía a Galveston, Texas, porque tiene quemaduras.
Ok.
Y cada 6 meses le hacen cirugía. Y es por eso de que vengo muy frecuente para acá.
Ok, está bien. Así que va a ser $10 en el ticket de las luces, ¿ok?
Sí.
Ok. Y no va a tener que pagar nada en la licencia, nomás que no le den otro ticket durante 30 días, ¿ok?
Ok, muy bien.
Ok.
Ok.
Y pues puede mandar por correo los $10 o puede ir en persona para los 10, ¿ok?
Ok, está bien.
Ok, ¿alguna pregunta?
No, eso sería todo. Muchas gracias.
Ok, que pase buen día.
Ok, gracias.
Adiós, bye bye.
Sí, bye. ¿Ya me puedo salir de la reunión?
Sí, ya se puede salir. Adiós.
Ok, gracias. Bye.
Bye bye. Mara, it's a 30-day deferral, no fee on the driver's license.
30-day deferral? Okay.
And then $10 on the stop lamp.
Okay.
Thank you. Call the docket. Philip Arevalo. And Yaria Benavides. Yaria Benavides, Rogelio Bonilla Sandoval, Rogelio Bonilla Sandoval, Terrence Lewis Booth, Terrence Lewis Booth, Derek Brown, Derek Brown, Hector Buentello, Hector Buentello, Marcus Cantu, Marcus Cantu, Benito Cardenas, Benito Cardenas, Victor Carranza III, Victor Carranza III, Jennifer Carrejo, Jennifer Carrejo, Dylan, I'm sorry, Dylan Covey paid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Marquise Covington, Marquise Covington. Jose de Luna paid, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaime Gonzalez Rodriguez, Jaime Gonzalez Rodriguez. Candice Martinez, Candice Martinez. Michael Prieto, Michael Prieto. Jeffrey Ramirez, Jeffrey Ramirez. Christopher Rodriguez, Christopher Rodriguez. Malik Saleh, Malik Saleh. Conroy Stevens, Conroy Stevens. Edward Vela, Edward Vela. And Christopher Williams, Christopher Williams. Mr. Dixon?
I've got an agreement on Juan Torres, Judge.
Okay,
On the defective stop lamp, he's going to plead no contest. 180 days deferred disposition. $334 fine. A payment plan with $100 down by 1 week from tomorrow. And then I'll dismiss the other two if he complies. And it was a borrowed vehicle. He says he does have insurance.
okay. Okay, Mr. Torres, is that your understanding of the agreement with the prosecutor?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, very good. I'll go ahead and accept that plea bargain agreement and we'll process your paperwork. Just make sure you pay that $100 by next Friday, the 16th.
Okay, when I make the payment, can I make it through the phone with the card, or I gotta go in person?
No, you can make that payment if it's $100 or more by phone.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you. You have a blessed day. Thank you.
All right, take care now. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, so that concludes the 10 o'clock docket. And we are in recess then until 11:15.
See you then.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.